Hey guys, Blaine here, Jet Tech Automotive. Back at it again with another video for you. Today I'm going to be explaining the different components and how they operate on an HVAC system in your vehicle. I got a nice little diagram here drawn up for you, and after I explain this, then we're going to go out to a vehicle and identify all the components there. So let's flip this around and get at it. Alright guys, here we have it. Alright, so starting here at the service port where we put the refrigerant in. It's going to go in as a low pressure vapor, alright? From the service port, we're going to come down to the compressor. From the compressor, this is going to make a high pressure vapor going into the condenser. The condenser, pretty much as it sounds, condenses it and turns it into a high pressure liquid. And then from the condenser, we're gonna run all the way down into the receiver dryer. With the receiver dryer, it has desiccant bags is what they call them, right inside here to catch moisture and also separates your oil. Has a little reserve down here. Alright, and now from the receiver dryer to the TXV valve. TXV valve is a metering mechanism that meters the refrigerant by sensor or heat per se into the evaporator. Okay, and the evaporator is what makes our byproduct of cold air, but from making our cold air, we got our blower motor. Our blower motor is what's taking out the hot air from our cabin, making it go across the evap, and it's taking out the heat and turning it into our byproduct of cold air. Alright, let's go take a look at a vehicle and identify these components and take a look at exactly what it looks like. Identifying the components on this one. This old Altima right here. I just wanted to show you the components on how this worked, besides the good old diagram that I drew up for you. But here we go. Got the service port, right? This is where it's going in as a low pressure gas or vapor per se. It's going to follow all the way down into here into the condenser. We got the condenser right here. Okay. It's going to follow the condenser all the way through. And we got our receiver dryer, which is right here. Okay. Now there's a line that's going underneath. You can't see it. But we're going to follow this all the way back. Okay. There's the line that we're looking for. It's going to go all the way through here. Okay. Follow it all the way back. There should be a TXV valve somewhere. I think it's buried back in there. And then from the TXV valve, we got our evaporator, which is in the cabin underneath the balloon somewhere in here. Can't get to it, but it is under there, under the glove box under here, and also your blower motor. Now remember, we are taking air out, hot air out of the cabin to make the byproduct of cold air. If none of these components work, the system won't work. The type of refrigerant, how much refrigerant, always look up your specs on how much refrigerant is needed, and oil also for your compressor. So I hope this cleared up any questions or helped you out in understanding on how an AC system works in your vehicle. Thank you for watching, and we'll be back soon, or I'll be back soon with another video. Alright guys, take it easy.